And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Bank of Queensland. So Bank of Queensland is a retail banking company and it also has its online banking sector. So if you guys have created an account of online banking of Bank of Queensland, you guys can access your account by sitting on your home using your internet, alright? And you guys don't have to go to your bank and sit on a line. You guys can, do online transaction, transfer money to other bank, to other people, and like transfer in money from other people and do all the stuff, alright? So if you guys also want to access this feature, you can sign up for Bank of Queensland. But this video is on how you guys can log in into it. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into Bank of Queensland. So first step is you want to search for Banks of Queensland. Now once you're over here, you want to click on /boq.com.au. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website. Once you're over here, you just click on log on over here. Once you click on log on, you want to go on the internet banking where it says log on to internet banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of the internet banking. You need to wait for some time. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, another page is going to be open up or another tab is going to be open up. For me, another tab opens up. So once you're over here, you want to enter your customer access number. After you enter your customer access number, you need to enter the password of your account. After you do that, basically click on log on. And if it asks you to enter a user ID, you can enter user ID. But if it doesn't ask you, then you can leave it empty. Alright. So that's basically how you guys can sign up for BOQ in another word, Bank of Queensland. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.